What if I told you that a new AI language model that outperforms GPT-4 exists? A model that can write anything from poems to code. A model that leverages Google's massive data and cloud computing power. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Meet Google Gemini, the ultimate generative AI tool about to change everything. In this video, I'll talk about how Google Gemini works, what makes it different from GPT-4, and why it is the next big thing in the AI industry. Stay tuned until the end because you don't want to miss this. Have you ever wondered what Google is up to these days? Well, let me tell you something that will blow your mind. In the past few months, Google has collected data to train a new chatbot to compete with GPT-4. They have created Google Bard and Google Labs to collect data for the Google Gemini super project. With 5 times more computing power and access to Google's proprietary training data, Gemini is geared to take the AI world by storm. But how is it different from GPT-4, and why is it so much better? Well, that's what we are going to find out today. Meet the mastermind. All right, folks, so let me introduce you to the genius behind Gemini, none other than the co-founder of Google, the man who needs no introduction, Sergey Brin. Known for his relentless pursuit of technological breakthroughs, Brin has again raised the bar with Gemini. He has secretly worked on this project for months, using his vision and expertise to create something extraordinary. Even though Sergey decided to step out from Google a few years ago, he believes AI is important to develop, and decided to work with Google again on this project. As he once said, the power of computation to tackle important problems has never been greater. So what is Gemini? In simple terms, Gemini is an ultra-powerful AI platform created by Google. Imagine a mind meld between GPT-4 and a supercomputer that can do anything. This groundbreaking invention is designed to take AI to unprecedented heights, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Trust me, folks, we're entering a whole new dimension of artificial intelligence. Google Gemini is not just one thing. It's a network of AI models that can handle multiple types of data and tasks at the same time. This means that Gemini can understand text, images, audio, video, 3D models, and even graphs, and perform various operations on them. For example, Gemini can read a book, generate a summary, or translate it into another language. It can also analyze an image and describe what it sees, or create a new image based on a description. It can listen to a song and transcribe the lyrics or compose a new piece based on a genre. It can watch a video, caption the scenes, or edit it based on a script. It can even interact with 3D models and manipulate them in different ways. But how does Gemini do all these things? Well, it's not like other AI models trained for specific tasks. Gemini is a multi-modal intelligence network, meaning it can process different types of data together and learn from them. The various models in the network collaborate, sharing information and learning from each other, making Gemini more versatile and powerful than any single model. Just like ChatGPT has many versions like GPT-3, GPT 3.5, and GPT-4, Google Gemini has 4 distinct versions, each varying in size. The 4 versions are Gecko, Otter, Bison, and Unicorn, when Gecko is the smallest and Unicorn is the largest. While Google hasn't disclosed specific parameter counts, we have hints that Gemini's largest model has approximately as many parameters as GPT-4. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. Gemini possesses a secret weapon against GPT-4: access to Google's vast proprietary training data. This includes data from various Google services like Search, YouTube, and more. Just imagine the wealth of information Gemini has at its fingertips. With such a treasure trove of data, Gemini can provide more creative, accurate, relevant, and context-aware responses. It knows the current trends and can predict the behaviors of people. It's almost like condoning the entire internet's knowledge into one AI model. The proprietary training data gives Gemini a significant edge over its competitors and opens up endless possibilities for innovation. Whether understanding complex queries, generating accurate recommendations, or predicting user behavior, Gemini has the upper hand. This makes Google Gemini know and predict humans better than any other AI language model. Another secret about Google Gemini that makes it better than ChatGPT is that it's trained on Google's very own TPU-v5 chips, able to operate simultaneously with a whopping 16,384 chips, which, in simpler terms, means an AI powerhouse on steroids. With so many advantages, I can see Google Gemini crashing ChatGPT easily. As Google's Gemini prepares to enter the generative AI market, one phrase comes to mind: the future is now. Gemini is a force to be reckoned with its unmatched computing power, access to proprietary data, and a star-studded partnership. Will it dethrone GPT-4 and take the crown? Only time will tell. But one thing is sure: Gemini is an undeniable game-changer in AI. Its revolutionary advancements have the potential to reshape industries, unlock new possibilities, and fuel the next wave of AI innovation. So be prepared to witness history as Google Gemini takes center stage. Thank you for watching. If you got this far in the video, please consider subscribing and liking the video, and I'll see you next time.